Did you know that in the Meta Quest 3 controller, you can remove this strap? Let me show you how. Take your controller and open the battery compartment by pressing down this button here. And this will activate a spring trigger here. And secondly, you can see here that this slot is just slid in. That means you can slide it out like so. Now you can have a controller without the strap. And to slide it back in, just position it so that it angles in the same shape. And you can slide it back in. And to close the lid, just put this over and push in.